Hello, this is Roy from Talkpod. Today we're unboxing the Talkpod Smart PoC Radio N59 for you. There are three key functions in this radio. First is Android 9OS radio, so it can install over 50 different push-to-talk apps. Second, with 2.4-inch touchscreen, dual camera, and built-in GPS. Third, it's already with CE, FCC, and RCM certificated, so it's available for all markets. Let's unboxing the radio and see what's inside. This is the N59 Smart PoC radio with dual SIM card, with an owner's manual. It comes with a rapid rate desktop charger and USA standard power adapter. A slim but high capacity lithium battery pack. A stubby 4G antenna. A rock spring bell clip. A linen stripe. Okay, this is the N59 Smart PoC radio with slim but all-in-one awesome design. Let's turn on the radio and have a look. So this is the 2.4-inch touch screen. And here the front and rear HD cameras, so it can send the multimedia message. It's a 36mm loudspeaker. And there is PTT button, two programmable buttons, and an orange direct emergency button. There are direct group and volume knobs. It uses the popular Kenwood 2-pin connector also. It's IP54 lab certified waterproof rated. So that's a quick view of N59 PoC Smart Radio. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.